riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Hello friends, God bless you and welcome. Today's video is my tier tray collaboration. This is the Mother's Day and my co-host is Miss Daisy's DIY. And I want to thank her so much for co-hosting with me. Hope y'all having a blessed, prosperous day. Thank you for joining me. Friends, each month I try my best to get more and more creative with these tiered tray collaborations. So, of course, I went back to using my Cricut circuit machine. And friends, let me tell you something. Doing that weeding and DIY is not all the time easy. But the process of it does come out beautiful. So as you see here, this is my Mother's Day tiered tray. Thank you so much for coming along and watching. And I'm going to show you everything I did and what I DIY and how I put this together. The theme for this Mother's Day collaboration is Mothers Are a Gift. And I wanted to make this special. So friends, you can do a Mother's Day tier tray. It don't have to be decor. You can add some breakfast. You can do a brunch. You can do anything for Mother's Day. So as I take you along in this, I hope that you can find some ideas. Here I took this sign that's hanging to the bottom. It was a Christmas sign and I repainted it black and I made a heart from my circuit machine. And guys, mothers are the heart of the homes. Thank God for mothers. Thank God for strong women. Thank God for every mother on this page, on this channel today. This is also a DIY makeover from the Dollar Tree. Happy Mother's Day. And I just made the words, the sign to it from the circuit machine. And that's it, guys. Repainted it, changed some things up. That's all I did. Add some words here. You know y'all recognize that wooden sign. And all of this is coming from the Dollar Tree. I have mom, ma, mother. Glory to God. I'm telling you, but all it goes that says mothers are a gift. And I have the heart because mothers always love their children. My mom will do anything according to the will of God for her children. Just a little gold, little cute little vase. I found it at a Goodwill. And I painted it gold. But that same little gold vase, if you look in the corner right there, I have the same one I find at another Goodwill for $3. And it looked just the same. The only thing is this one is a mini one. So I definitely wanted to add some greenery. And this is me and my mother, and I wanted to put this there because she's always been a special part of my life. She's gone on with the Lord, but I still remember Mama. I tell you, you'll never forget those parents, those loved ones and family. So I just thank God for her. And as I'm celebrating her on earth, thank God, amen, that she's with the Lord now at peace. So tribute to all the mothers. We'll never forget our mothers. And this is my Ray Dunn DIY Mother's Day cup. So friends, I pray that you have a blessed Mother's Day coming into the Mother's Day season. And don't let this be a time of sorrow, because I know sometimes, it brings sadness. But let's rejoice and remember the good times. And even if you got a mother and she might be going through, thank God that she's still here. Children, family, please be there for your mother and your parents. It's the right thing to do. The Mother's Day Tear Tray collab will be open up until tomorrow if you want to still do a video if you miss it on today. And I want to thank Miss Daisy's DIY for joining me. Please go back and watch her channel. It will be in my description box and a playlist. I want to thank everyone, and I pray that you have a blessed Mother's Day. God bless you, and y'all be blessed. Bye-bye from Penny.